In Microsoft Word, linked styles are a type of style that can function both as a paragraph style and a character style, depending on how they are applied. This flexibility allows you to use the same style for different types of formatting within your document. Now, to create a linked style, select the text that you want to create a style for, navigate up to your Quick Styles menu, press the drop-down arrow, and you can create a style here. Or alternatively, you can go up to your Styles pane, click the small arrow on the right-hand side. This will bring up your Styles options, and then go down to the small button on the left-hand corner where it says Create New Style. Click on this, and then you can create your style here. Choose a name for your style. Here I've called it Link Style. Then where it says Style Type, you want to make sure you are selecting Linked, where it says Paragraph and Character. You want to make sure you do not have this style based on any other styles, so select No Style. Then we can see here in the preview pane how our style will actually look. There are lots of different options here for how we can personalize our style, make it italic, bold, change the font type, change the size of the font, etc. And once you are happy with how it looks, make sure you can add it to the style gallery. You do not want automatically update selected because again we want more control over our style. And then press OK. Now the link style has been applied to the text as we can see. Now the difference between this link style and a normal paragraph or character style is it can be used as both. So we can highlight our text and then apply our linked style to this text, and it will just apply it to the selected text rather than the whole paragraph. Or we can just place our cursor in the paragraph, select our linked style, and it will apply it to the whole paragraph. Link styles are really convenient for maintaining consistency across your document because they allow you to use the same style for both paragraph level and character level formatting. So say if you wanted some paragraphs in the same style but then also just the first line of others, etc.